the cold start is what everybody is always comparing after they put their exhaust on. I got my other GoPro set up right here, and I'm gonna just do a cold start for you guys. Oh yeah, and I said I drove 120 miles yesterday. That's my odometer. Make sure you can see that. I'll get a cold start in real quick. Again, I don't want it to heat up too much because I'm about to take all this stuff off. About to take all that off. All this is about to be gone. We'll get back with you. Oh, and I'm gonna add little engine covers, frame sliders, rear spools, all that good stuff. And it's still cold out here. I'll get back with you. All right, we back. Got the exhaust on. Got the bike put back together. What I need to do next is windscreen, the flapper valve, block off, mirror block offs, and the turn signals. So today is day. I got the bike on the 19th. I don't know if you can see that. I got the bike on the 19th. I'm almost done with my little upgrades. But yeah, I got the same little setup. Got the GoPro sitting there. We gonna do a quick little cold start. Let me start this other GoPro real quick. Hopefully no lights pop up. Cause I had this thing taken apart. And again, let's check the mileage real quick. 125. Cold start. Alright, that was a little cold start real quick.